How to avoid FET tax on a Conestoga system. My name is Ruben, I'm with Route 1 Trailers, I'm over in East Dundee, Illinois, and today I'll explain to you how you can save some money. First of all, what is FET tax? Well, there's a tax imposed by the federal government on products or services like fuel, like tobacco, like alcohol, like air transportation, and trucks and trailers, including any accessory attached and bolted to a trailer or a truck. It happens that the tax for any trailer or truck or the tarping system, it is 12% of the sales price. This FET tax, it is applied on the very first retail sale. So usually if you buy a trailer, a flatbed, or a truck, all the dealers are going to advertise their price with FET included in that sales price. And so at the very first retail sale, if you're a trucking company or owner-operator or private party that buys a truck, you're going to pay that FET tax. If you paid it once you bought it from the dealer and you sell your truck in the next month, 2, 3, or whenever you want to sell the truck or the trailer, you're not going to pay FET tax, or your customer's never going to pay FET tax. It's a only one-time tax and it's a retail sale. If you buy this trailer from us, if you buy the trailer and the tarping system, everything is already prepped and ready. You're gonna pay a certain price. And usually that price is gonna be with about $3,000 to $5,000 more than if you buy it separate. If you buy the trailer separate and then install the Conestoga after 6 months, then you're gonna save this amount of money. But what is the trade-off? Well, the trade-off and the things that you have to do are the following. You are gonna have to buy the trailer, you pick it up from Dover, Ohio, which is the factory of Extreme. You got to move this trailer to one of the tarping system manufacturers. In this case, it's Gary, Indiana. So this movement, there's cost. Meanwhile, the tarping system is going to be installed. You're going to lose about, in average, 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half. So this 2 weeks and a half, it's also cost. This is money. From the time that the tarping system is installed and gets to the dealer, that's also shipping, that's also a cost. So all this cost plus the FET tax that applies to the Conestoga, this is going to be the amount that I mentioned, between $3,000 and $5,000. So if you prefer to buy the flatbed itself and use it for 6 months, you got to commit to using the flatbed, you got to commit to buying tarps, you got to commit to not having a Conestoga for this period of time. And then you got to commit to doing all this due diligence, to doing all this shipping and all this coordination to get your tarping system installed. And at the end, you got to consider, is it worth it to pay a little more money and get the trailer ready and go to work and make that money constant? Or is it worth to save a little bit, go step by step? That is going to be your decision. There is another disadvantage of wanting to save the money and doing the trailer and the tarping system separate. When you buy the trailer with a Conestoga like you see right now, you can finance 100% of it. But if you buy the trailer separate, you finance the trailer with the bank, then you want to install the Conestoga system and you want to finance the Conestoga, that's not going to be possible. And the reason is that the banks are not going to want to finance a Conestoga that's installed on a trailer that the trailer has a lien on it from another bank. In case that you miss the payments for the trailer, the bank is going to want to take the trailer, repossess it from you, and so they're going to take it with the Conestoga tarping system that's financed by a different bank. So this is why, if you want to save money, you have to have some more money in the pocket to pay off the Conestoga in full after 6 months of owning the trailer or later. If you like this video, if you like the tip that I gave you, please give it a thumbs up, share it so your friends can learn something about FET tax and Conestoga systems. Thank you.